Ever thought about upgrading your skills and stepping into a high-demand tech career? Imagine designing electronics that power everything from your smartphone to the latest smart gadgets. Picture yourself opening doors to exciting roles in IoT, automation, and smart system. Hi, I'm Alex. I'm here to share an opportunity that could transform your engineering career. It's none other than MP's Diploma in Engineering Electronics from SOE, your gateway to exciting world of electronics and emerging technologies. This hands-on course is perfect for anyone who's ready to dive into the heart of digital world, where you will learn everything from circuit design to building cutting-edge devices. By the end of the course, you will have the right skills to secure new career opportunities in the electronics, IoT, and automation sectors. What makes our course different? It goes beyond theory, giving you practical skills for real-world impact. Our industry-focused curriculum teaches you IoT, microcontrollers, cloud computing, and even AI for manufacturing, equipping you with the skills in demand by today's employers. Electronics and automation professionals are in high demand across industry, and this part-time diploma gives you a direct pathway into a future-proof and rewarding career. That's not all. Our blended learning format includes evening classes, gives you the flexibility to balance work and study. Throughout your journey, you will not only get to work on practical projects, but you will also develop problem-solving skills, critical thinking, technical expertise in IoT, microcontrollers, and emerging tech like AI that employers are looking out for. Imagine having the skills to design everything from smart devices to automated systems and being ready to contribute to groundbreaking innovation with long-term career stability. So are you ready to level up your career in the exciting world of electronics? Let's make it happen. Join the Diploma in Engineering Electronics and start shaping the future, one circuit at a time. Make the move, apply today, and get started on your path to becoming the next electronic expert. Let's design, innovate, and engineer the future together.